Hey everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're making this delicious jelly slice. Really easy to make, it's no bake, and it has these 3 delicious layers. So you've got your biscuit layer or your biscuit base, you've got this cheesecake-like layer in the middle, and then you have this jelly, flavored jelly layer on the top. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is crush our Marie biscuits. I just crush my biscuits inside a Ziploc bag. I don't really see the point of getting out a food processor. There's just more to clean, and this way there's almost no cleanup. So that's the way that I do it. You can do it however you like, as long as you crush your biscuits to get fine crumbs. Then we're going to go ahead and pour those ingredients into a small bowl or a measuring jug like I am here, and we're going to go ahead and then melt our butter so that we can combine those 2 ingredients together. I'm just melting the butter in a small pan over the stove. You can melt it in the microwave. And then we're going to mix those 2 together. So just pour in our melted butter into the biscuit crumbs and get the biscuit crumbs all nice and coated with that melted butter. You're going to want to get yourself a 9 by 5 inch baking pan and line that with parchment paper. I'm actually using a disposable metal tray because I had these on hand, and it makes it really easy to do it this way if you're going ahead and taking this to a party or you're taking this somewhere. Once you've poured in your biscuit crumbs into your container, then we're going to go ahead and evenly spread them out, and then I use the bottom of a glass to just press down that biscuit base to make it nice and compact. And then you're going to put it into the fridge while we're getting our cheesecake layer ready. Okay, so we're going to get our sweetened condensed milk and pour that into a mixing jug or a bowl, and then we're going to make up our gelatin. So I've got some gelatin with some boiling water, and we're just going to mix those all together until the gelatin is dissolved. Then we're going to go ahead and combine our lemon juice. Now I'm just straining my lemon juice to get out any seeds or any pith that I don't want in there. And then we're going to pour in our gelatin mixture, and we're going to give all of this a really good mix. It's called a cheesecake layer. It doesn't have any cheese, but when it's set, it tastes exactly like cheesecake. So now that that is all mixed up, we're going to pour this over our biscuit base. I'm just pouring the cheesecake mixture over my spatula just so it doesn't make any indents into my cheesecake layer. The cheesecake layer does get pretty hard when it's in the fridge, so you shouldn't have any issues. I just like to do it this way just in case. And then we're going to go ahead and put this in the fridge for about 45 minutes to an hour to set up. Immediately after we put that into the fridge, we're going to make our jelly layer so that it's got some time to cool to room temperature, and we're also going to add extra gelatin just to make it a little more firm. Apart from adding in that little bit of extra gelatin, you are going to want to make up the jelly to package directions, and then you're going to set it aside to cool to room temperature. Don't put it in the fridge, just on the bench. Once the cheesecake layer has set, we're going to go ahead and pour over our jelly layer that is now cooled to room temperature, and then we're going to go ahead and set that back in the fridge until that is completely set. It's going to take about 6 to 8 hours. I like to leave it overnight. Once everything has set, you can go ahead and cut it into square pieces to go ahead and serve it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you go away and make this delicious jelly slice for yourself. Have it at home, take it to parties, serve it at kids' parties. It'll be great. I'm going to dig in, and I'll see you next time. Bye.